front of me is Cubot P80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then click on Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then tap on Confirm. Following that, you need to answer this question by selecting one of the available options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I will go with Don't show notifications at all, so when I tap, I need to select Done at the bottom right corner. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!